Okay, so basically I have here 3 cables for the DT-250, and these cables don't have any problems. They are they're spares, and I've had them for quite a few years now. I haven't needed them. I also have these 2 other cables, which are for my DT-150, and it seems that the DT-150 cables, for some reason, exhibit this sort of corrosion. I'm not sure what it might cause it, but as you can see, the contact pins have gone dark. I don't know if these were gold plated or chrome plated. I don't know if it's called chrome plated. Like those are silver ones or chrome plated, and I believe these were gold, and that might be why there are some differences. Although I do have this one here. I don't know if it does look a bit golden, so I think it might be a very, very thin layer of gold. And yeah, it probably has experienced some sort of chemical reaction. I was just wondering if there's any way to clean these pins so that they look nice again. And if not, whether I should replace the connectors, or perhaps it doesn't really matter. Maybe it doesn't affect the function of the product. Thank you.